Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction to PSQL and pgadmin 4. We've already downloaded and installed PSQL shell and pgadmin 4 on our system. So let's get started. PSQL shell is a command line interface that allows you to interact with PostgreSQL databases using SQL commands. It provides direct access to your databases, which lets you to execute queries and perform administrative tasks efficiently. To launch the PSQL shell, simply double-click on the shortcut icon on your desktop. This will open a command line window where you can start working with your PostgreSQL databases. Since you're using a local installation of PostgreSQL, the default username is Postgres and the default server is localhost. To connect to a PostgreSQL server using PSQL shell, we'll type this command psql -u postgres, which is the username. This will connect you to the server using the default username. Now, let's move on to pgadmin 4. pgadmin 4 is a graphical administration and management tool that offers a user-friendly interface for working with PostgreSQL databases. It provides a range of features including database creation, table design, query execution, and data visualization. To launch pgadmin 4, simply double-click on the shortcut icon on your desktop. This will open a web-based interface that allows you to manage your databases efficiently. In pgadmin 4, the graphical user interface layout has a left sidebar, a top navigation bar, and a main content area. The left sidebar provides a tree-like view of your server and databases, allowing you to easily navigate through the database objects. The top navigation bar contains various menus and options for managing your databases. Here, you can create databases, tables, and other objects, execute queries, manage your permissions, etc. The main content area displays the details and contents of the selected object or the results of your queries. It provides a visual representation of your databases, tables, and other objects, making it easier to work with them. To connect to a PostgreSQL server in pgadmin 4, on the sidebar, expand the servers option by clicking on it. You'll be asked to enter the password. Type in the password that you had used while installing PostgreSQL. You can also create your server. For that, on the menu bar, open the Object menu and under the Register option, choose Server. In the General tab, provide a name for your server. In the Connection tab, enter localhost as the host name and enter the password that you had entered while installing PostgreSQL. Then click on Save to add the server. With pgadmin 4, you can also perform tasks like creating databases, tables and views, managing user permissions, executing queries, and even generating graphical reports to visualize your data. Both PSQL shell and pgadmin 4 are powerful tools that complement each other. PSQL shell provides a command line interface for executing SQL commands directly, whereas pgadmin 4 offers a graphical environment for managing and administering your PostgreSQL databases. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.